Hi, today we're talking about appointments tracker and you can keep track of all the appointments that are coming onto your business. So we have got a database at the bottom which lists down all the records of the applicants who are booking an appointment. You can see we have defined a lot of different things like service type, the status, the notes and all the things that you need to follow along. And on the top, we have classified all the appointments into different views. So first is daily schedule. So as you click on this, you will able to see the calendar view of what is the schedule for the day. And you can see as per the dates, it is classifying all the appointments over here. You can play around with the properties over here and you can enable certain things that you want to see, or you can add more properties as and when you wish to do so. Then our upcoming appointments. So any appointments which are booked in the future will be visible over here. And as you can see, we have added a filter of all the appointments that are coming today or after today will be shown over here. Then we have shown the appointments as per different status. So the appointments which have been cancelled or completed or scheduled are all visible over here. And then we have a service type. So as per the different services that the clients are booking, you can see the appointments that have been scheduled. So this is a quick way to summarize your entire appointment calendar and you can see everything over here in one glance. You can customize or play around with the settings and make changes to this template as per your needs. I also wanted to highlight about a new tool that is PDF Output, which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk, utilizing Google Document as a template, and it works with Google Sheet or Notion database as a source of data. So you can generate bulk invoice documents with the help of this. And I've added a video of how you can generate invoice documents in bulk utilizing this tool. And you can watch this video and take help of PDF Output for your business. If you have any questions, please reach out to me on Notion for my use at gmail.com and I will be able to assist you further on that. Thank you. Have a great day.